So now I will give the tutorial in the installation of Windows 10 list. Okay, we start with, we go on Google and search for Windows 10 download. Okay, on the first result, choose download Windows 10. We have to scroll down and don't forget to press on the download tools now. Wait about several minutes something, then it will pop up something, some kind of statement. So we just have to read about the terms and the condition and just press accept. Okay, choose the second choice, which is create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD and ISO image for another PC. Press next and choose our languages. Still choose the second choice, which is for the ISO file. So it will download, so we can just choose any locations in our drive. So just wait about a few minutes something. So that's how it's done. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, next I will teach you how to install virtual machine at your PC. First, go to Google and search VMware Workstation Pro Trial Download. Next, it will come out a lot of options and click for the first option. Then it will come out the whole page about VMware Workstation 16 and scroll down to download the VMware Workstation Trial. Okay, click download now and it will take several minutes for download. And then click the file that has finished downloading. We wait for several minutes and then it will come out some form that need to be added. Just click agree, accept and next. We wait several minutes, then click finish and done.
Next is the step for operating system. First, you press the create a new virtual machine, press next, and then press the workstation 1, also press next, and this is the button. I will install the operating system later, also press next, and then choose Microsoft Windows since we want to install Windows, and choose the Windows times 16 4, and then below one is the name of the file, also press next, and then choose the below one, next. So for the processor, it depends on your laptop, so how many processor you have. So if you have 2 processor, insert 2 processor, or you have 1, put 1, so on. And then this is for the gigabyte, like how many storage do you want to set for your virtual machine. So if you have a big storage, just put 128 gigabyte, or you have a small storage, just put 2. Then press next. And then choose this one, this button, use network, and choose this recommended one, this LSI Logic as it is per recommended. Press next and then choose the last one. This is also recommended. Everything that is recommended from this VMware, just use it because they know it best. And then create a new virtual, this, press next, and then this one is you set as how many storage do you have on your laptop. So if you have 256 storage, just put 256, or you have less than that, just put 20. It doesn't matter. Then press next. This is the ready to create virtual machine. This is the process of it before we install the Windows. Press the power on this virtual machine, and this part you have to press TRLG, press plus enter, and this is the part where you sign in as usual, like you set up your Facebook or whatsoever. Just set up as normal. This is for to secure your Windows more. And then get it ready, and yeah, here we are to create the window.
At this part, it will take several minutes for setup. Okay, next you choose the region, and then just click next, and it takes some minutes again. And put your email, create account, and put your email for the upload.com. Create a password, and then choose your country.
Everything set up, it's like usual. Insert your email, insert your phone number, and so on. If you're from Malaysia, put Malaysia and put your Malaysian number. So that's it. And yeah, create your PIN, your password, and yeah.
And wait for moments and accept, and choose your customize for your device and use an Android PC. Just click next, and
our windows are ready.
Now, I will teach you how to show desktop icon in Windows 10. First, click right mouse button and then go to personalize. After that, you will see a window will open and then go to Teams. The next step is scroll down the screen until you find desktop icon setting and then click on it. After that, click all of the square and then click OK. After that, click Next. Now, you will see the documents My Computer Network, Recycle Bin and Control Panel on your left side of computer.
Next is you go to your menu of your laptop and search for system information. So after launching system information, you will see the default system summary page. This display fundamental details about your PC, that everything you install, including states like Windows version, system manufacturer, and BIOS version. And if you press one by one, so this is the OS name. This is attached to the left of the window, divided in 3 core groups: hardware, resources, component, and software environment. And the second section the first of this provides some fairly low level details on how hardware resources are being used, such as memory address and I/O details. So the second section is components, has more general application. The device on your PC are separated into logical categories. You can explore this group as a display and USB. So the last one is software environment, pertains to Windows settings and your user configuration. Here you can monitor details of drivers, environment variables, running service, and register startup programs. Among other items, even noting you can edit anything directly. System information can be found by pressing Ctrl F. This helps us to get an idea for what are we looking for. So let's search for anything you want as I put adapter. So you could find display adapter details if you are troubleshooting a graphical fault. So reports can be exported and imported using the options in the file menu. Another option under view lets you connect to a remote computer to view its system information. This utilizes Windows Remote Desktop functionally, but means you don't need to start a full remote desktop session. Instead, you can load the data into your local system information instance.
So what this video is about for the parts is partition. So first, we'll click on the start and then choose documents and then right click on this PC, choose manage. It will come up about the computer management. So click on the disk management. So here, okay, choose this. Okay, click shrink, and then we are recommended to put 5 GB, it's around 5000 megabyte. After that, once we insert it, so click on the shrink button. It's gonna take about few seconds. Okay, so click on the allocated and right click on it, choose new single volume, and it will pop up about the welcome to this new single volume wizard, and then directly click on the next, and here will tell us about the specific volume size, so we can just click next again. Okay, so this for our partition, then click next and then choose this volume with the following setting. Okay, so we are going to choose NTFS and rename the volume as data and click next. Then read everything and recheck. After that, click finish and we are done. And this is how we done for the partition of this data. We can do it again at another setting and do exactly with the same steps. And now we are going to do for the virtual machine. Okay, so we click on this PC and then we have to press the right click and then choose properties, and then we pop up about the PC interface. So we have to scroll down to the related settings and choose system protection. There will be system properties about our Windows 10. So click advanced to the button clicks setting on the visual effect processor, schedule memory usage and visual memory. So we can choose the adjust for the best performance if you want it. But now we will choose the first option, which is let Windows choose what's best for my computer. So then we have to go back to the advanced and then click change. Then untick the parts, the box in order to custom size and choose recommend size, which is 1151 MB, and insert the value into the initial size box. Yeah, like that. So insert the 11.1 MB. And now we have to make the calculations for the maximum size on the calculator. So 1151 times with 1.5, so their amount is 1726.5. So put this amount into the maximum size. So and click yes and OK. Apply it, and that's all for the visual.
Okay, next I will teach you how to create a user account. First, go to Start button, click Setting, find Accounts. It will show your info about this PC. Go to the left screen your PC and find Family and Other Users. At the Other Users, click Add someone else to this PC. It will take several minutes and it will show Microsoft account. Next, it will show how will this person sign in. Click I don't have this person sign in information. It will show create account and give several options. So you just need to click add a user without a Microsoft account. And then it will show a create a user for this PC. And you just fill in the form. Okay, click next and done. After completing the form that provide, and yes, it is finished creating a new user account at your PC.
Okay, hi. Here we will be provided a full step-by-step on how to change a standard account to an administration account in an operating system OS of Windows 10. Okay, so first of all, click the Windows Start button on the main interface screen of the laptop. Okay, and then click on Settings option. The setting option appears as an icon of a gear shape. Next steps is select on account options. After we open this account option, choose Family and Others Users option. Click on the user account, add the other users options, and select change account type. Once the pop-up shown, choose the administrator option and click OK. Once we have clicked the OK button, the user accounts will directly having the reflect of the changes that have been made as an administrator account. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.
First, go to folder that you want to share. For now, I want to share screenshot folder. Go to Properties. After you click, there will be show Pictures property. Then click Sharing. Click Advanced Sharing. Then go to Permission. Tick Allow to any permission that you want. Then click Apply and OK. Again, click Apply and OK. After that, go to Security. Click Edit. Click Add and write specific name in the box. Click Check Name and click OK. Tick Allow to anything that you want to modify. After you're satisfied, click Apply and OK.
Here, we will give some useful information about how to run Windows Task Manager in Windows 10. It is very simple and a little quick time to launch in. Okay, so we will go through to the next part. Okay, so I show you to the next how to run the Task Manager. Okay, first of all, go to the search text box and types Task Manager. After that, click on Task Manager. Once the results comes up, click Run as Administrator. So as we can see here is the originality interface of the Task Manager. Okay, in here part is the processes types in the Task Manager. As we can see here, all the applications that are in the background process. Okay, next in the performance, we have the CPU. As we can see here, the CPU is shown as the laptop, what the CPU is used by the laptop. And next we have the app history, start up. Okay, so we can see here the users of this laptop, the details as we can see here on what the application that are currently be running. Okay, so next is the services. As we can see here, the services that are currently running in this laptop. Okay, so that's all from me.
Okay, next for the last step of setting up your operating system is show how to change your computer name. Okay, first click Start button. Okay, next go to the setting. Okay, from the setting you search about your PC, and then it will show your PC is monitored and protected, and then from there it will show the device specification and original desktop name. And you can rename this PC, and you scroll down and it will show the rename this PC, and click there and rename your PC, and you just restart now or later, and it will restart and it will show the real name that you have renamed it.
As a conclusion, It is important to know about operation system because operation system are responsible for managing computer, memory process, and operation of all hardware and software. This is because an operation system is the most crucial software on a computer because it is allow the computer hardware to connect efficiently with all other computer's applications.